Sorry about this. This is my first time.
New from Hasbro Gaming, it's fantastic gymnastics. It all started with a box.
Yeah. This is the first time doing this shit. Yeah. Let the people all know HoganBum's back at the alley again. Plus the little girl wanna play again. Seen on the top, viewing 666. Perry does a flirt with the crucifix. 2 birds, 1 stone. 2 birds with a 1 stone. Yep, 2 birds, 1 stone. 2 birds with a 1 stone. Tell me how you did end up with my main chick. Reason with a whole double trouble that you say shit. Bouncing in the bed when she swallowed all your blankets. Hogan funny up and sitting here from my cockpit. Your face, man, it's so lame. Rapping mouth up, but all your brain dead. We don't wanna hear another house trap. Your people say you miss you wanna pop a prozac, but you're always on it. Especially when your best friends pick on me. I just might kid on it. God damn, instead of a retard, don't know what to do. Guess I make a book soon, probably gonna suck too. Who really invented this bullshit? Who the hell will go and buy another book of bullshit? Then you bring me basic if you care. 1 week break, legitimate idiot. You think I'm jealous, huh? Just like Daniel, huh? Yeah, white retard wanna be me, huh? Yeah, I'm not even upset when we even forget about it now. We used to went to bed or wasn't upset about it. The Hogan the prick, now regret it. HoganBum's back and the elegant. Plus the little girl wanna play again. Sitting on the top, being 666. Perry does a flirt with the crucifix. 2 birds, 1 stone. 2 birds with a 1 stone. Yep, 2 birds, 1 stone. 2 birds with a 1 stone. Lying to your mama. Guess I had a broken jeans, you're related to your father. The whole world knows he's gonna jet. When you try yourself, maybe work ain't doing the best. I ain't been Canada, you playing out your business. There's one star, it's my laws, my witness. But there's other time when you wanted that BJ, I come in your mouth, now you're scared of the BJ. Now you're getting pegged, got these little kids looking up at shit I said. Yo, bitch girl, okay, if you're a snitch girl, I go, okay, they wanna go anywhere like it, girl. Look at you, want some more honey. Rubbing boys just the more money. You're a dodgy bitch that they'll settle in. Block boy and bombs like the kettle thing. Your tits stoneLying, that's unsettling. What did he am telling me? You're the pussy losing me. Well, you always lose to me. Little girl getting pissed off and fucked up and you ain't for me. HoganBum's back at the alley again. Plus the little girl wanna play again. Sitting on the top, being 666. Perry does a flirt with the crucifix. 2 birds, 1 stone. 2 birds with a 1 stone. 2 birds, 1 stone. 2 birds with a 1 stone. Man, I never smoked weed in my life, man. I never lost my virginity to Devon, dude. I can tell to everybody else. Bethany, you're a lying cunt. Fuck yourself, girl.